Hey everyone, and welcome back to my class. Come on kids, let us look at the summary of chapter 5, Princess September, written by Somerset Maugham. This is the mind map of the chapter, children. Point number 1, King had a peculiar habit of giving gifts on his birthday instead of receiving them. Second, he gave each of his daughters a green parrot. September's parrot died. Point number 3, she saw a little bird hop into her room. Point number 4, every day the bird sang her to sleep. Point number 5, the king said that the bird sang much better than the other parrots. Point number 6, other princesses, they were very jealous because this king was praising the other bird. So they came up with a plan. Point number 7, September carried the bird to the cage and popped him in. Point number 8, the bird now wouldn't sing a song and also he wouldn't eat a thing. He was very sad. Point number 9, the princess gave the bird his freedom. Point number 10, the princess, she was married to the king of Cambodia. And point number 11, her sisters were given away to the king's counselor. Now let us look at the story of the chapter. Princess September is a story of a princess and her little bird. The king and the queen of Siam had many daughters and the queen found it confusing to remember so many names. So one day the king decided to call them January, February, March and so on, till he came to the youngest, whom he called September. Now this king, he had a peculiar habit of giving gifts on his birthday instead of receiving them. So one year on his birthday, he decided to give his daughters a green parrot in a golden cage. The princesses, they were very proud of their parrots. But one day, Princess September found her parrot lying dead at the bottom of its cage. Obviously, she was very sad and she started crying a lot. While she lay in her bed crying, she saw a little bird hop into her room. She wiped her tears and the little bird began to sing a beautiful song. She liked that song very much and now she was no longer crying. Then the little bird asked her that would she like to have him in place of her parrot? She agreed and was very happy. And every day the little bird sang her to sleep. The princess then decided to show her bird to everyone and everyone was surprised, including the king and the queen. The king even said that this particular bird, he sang much better than the other parrots. The king said that he was tired of the other parrots who always used to say pretty Polly, and it also reminded him of his counselors. The princesses, they were very sad at this, and the other parrots, they were also very sad to hear what the king said. But September was very happy. Now the other princesses, they were very jealous, so they came up with a plan. They told September that they were very sorry for the death of a beautiful parrot, so they had decided to put all their pocket money together and they will buy a lovely green and a yellow parrot. But princess, she found their efforts of no use and said that she already had a bird who used to sing her the most charming songs. The princesses, then they inquired where her bird was, and the princess, she said that the bird had gone to pay a visit to his father-in-law. They then advised her that she should keep her bird in a cage. September was feeling very uneasy. She was very worried for her little bird now because it was a very long time and she thought that maybe her bird, he might forget her. Suddenly she heard a tweet tweet and she saw the little bird sitting on her shoulder. She told the bird that she was worried for him. The bird told her that his father-in-law, he gave all the birds the party and everyone wanted him to stay. But he thought that princess would be anxious. Therefore, he came back. When September heard this, she felt her heart go thump against her chest. And she made up her mind and she said that now she won't be taking any risk. So, what did she do? She carried the bird over to the cage and she popped him in and she shut the door of the cage. September told the bird that he was much safer in the cage because some of her mama's cats were prowling about tonight. The bird said that he had no problem unless the princess let him out in the morning. Now, what happened in the next morning? The next morning, the little bird asked her to open the door of the cage. But September told him that he was much better off in the cage. September told the bird that she had kept the bird in the cage because she is fond of him and she knows what's good for him better than he does. After that, the bird became very sad. He wouldn't sing a song and he wouldn't eat a thing. The princess was very worried now. The next morning, when she didn't get an answer for her good morning, she jumped out of her bed and she ran to the cage and she saw the little bird with his eyes closed and he looked as if he were dead. After some time, when he opened his eyes, he said to the princess that he cannot sing until he is free and if he could not sing, he would die. Then the princess, she gave the bird his freedom. The bird was now free to come and go as per his will. The bird also promised that he will always come back because he loves the princess so much. Princess, she also kept her window always open, so that whenever the little bird wanted to come into the room, the bird can come, and whenever it wanted to go, the bird could go. And because she kept her windows open, this was very good for her, so she grew extremely beautiful. She was married to the king of Cambodia and was carried on a white elephant. But her sisters, they never kept their windows open, and so they grew extremely ugly. And when it was time to marry them off, they were given away to the king's counselors with a pound of tea and a Siamese cat. So, this was the summary of the chapter, children. Hope you all understood the chapter very well. I will be back again with yet another video. Till then, take care.